someone below me so they can move, which is probably what they did. You probably got my attention by making noise. Darting between the trees, I come up here and whoever's down there does what they need to do. Of course, if I don't come up here, then I'm the stool. I'm the idiot. Why didn't you go up there? You said you saw one. No one ever goes to them. Oh, I did. Good morning,